So one last thing to cover is how functions work. So I have a function f of x equals 3x plus 1. And like I mentioned, functions are I'm inputting values for x and seeing what I get as an output for that value of x. So if I'm asking what is the f of x of negative 3, I'm going to input negative 3 here for x, which means I'm going to put a negative 3 here. So this becomes 3 times negative 3 plus 1. And I want to know what is my value for f if I plug in a negative 3. So 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 plus 1. Negative 9 plus 1 is a negative 8. So what is f of negative 3? Well, my output is negative 8. So as I input negative 3, my output gets negative 8. Again, if I were to change this to, let's say, a 2, now I want to input 2 into my function. So wherever I have x, I'm going to put in a value of 2 and calculate that. So let's see, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So f of 2 equals 7. Now, I'm going to change my function up a little bit to x squared plus x plus 1. Note that I have two values of x inside here. So when I'm looking for f of 4, I want to take 4 and plug it into this x and plug it into this x. So everywhere you see x, you're going to plug in this value. So this becomes something that looks like this, where I'm plugging in my inputs here, and my input in this case is 4. And I want to figure out what is my output. 4 squared gives me 16, plus 4, plus 1. 16 plus 4 is 20, plus 1 equals 21. So what is f of 4 for this function? The value is 21. So again, everywhere you have an x, you're going to be plugging in this value. That is applying the function notation.